One of the biggest concerns when it comes to gardening is how much water do you give your plants? Are you overwatering or underwatering? Well, I have a simple solution. This is an olla. It's an unglazed clay pot, and it takes the guesswork out of watering. It's an ancient method of drip irrigation that has been used for more than 4,000 years. It's thought to have been originated in North Africa. The best part about ollas, they conserve water because they're so efficient. It's a simple way to save 50 to 70% of water without depriving your plants. How? Well, the plants take exactly how much water they need. It's a simple process. Take a look at how after just a few hours, water slowly seeped out of the pot. So it directly irrigates the roots around the pots to absorb the leaking moisture. What that means for you, even if you don't have a green thumb, no one will ever know because your plants will thrive thanks to the olla. So if you have a large garden, that means you need lots of ollas and you don't want to fill them one by one by one. It takes forever. Well, we did a video showing you how you can daisy chain them together, so that means less work for you. Also, go to greendesert.org. We have tons of benefits for ollas. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, eat green, get sun, and stay grounded.